Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Ledger Nano S on Android. We'll walk through connecting your hardware wallet to your mobile device, setting up the Ledger Live application, and managing your digital assets. This process allows you to securely access and transact with your cryptocurrencies directly from your phone, offering convenience without compromising security. You'll gain the confidence to manage your crypto anytime, anywhere, with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, let's gather the necessary items. First, confirm your Android phone operates on Android version 8 or newer for optimal compatibility. Next, have your Ledger Nano S device ready. Crucially, you'll need a USB on-the-go or OTG cable. This special cable allows your phone to act as a host, enabling the connection to your Ledger device. You can find these cables easily online or at electronics stores. Now, let's connect your device. Start by downloading and opening the official Ledger Live application on your Android phone. Once open, use your OTG cable to physically connect your Ledger Nano S to your phone's USB port. Some Android phones may require you to enable an OTG or USB OTG option in their settings. After connecting, unlock your Ledger device by entering your 4 to 8-digit PIN code directly on its screen. With your Ledger Nano S connected and unlocked, the Ledger Live app will guide you to add or import your cryptocurrency accounts. You can now securely send and receive a wide range of digital assets. When performing any transaction, remember the critical security step. Always verify and confirm the transaction details directly on your Ledger Nano S screen by pressing both buttons. This ensures your private keys remain secure and your assets are protected.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.